Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again here with another video. So welcome to today's video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my content. I do appreciate your support guys, you're the best. So today's video, actually I'm going to be showing you that the difference between the smart TV and a smartphone, that same phone that you're using. Yes, like the one I'm using, like the one you're using, like just any other smartphone. So this in front of us is a TV, a Vitron Smart TV. Let's on it and we see how it is going. So first of all, let's exit that. It's not exiting anyway. So that is how the TV is displayed. Actually, that is the display. Yeah, if you want to go to if you want to put the channels on the TV, you go to DTV, because these smart TVs have actually the inbuilt decoders. Yeah, but it's your choice. Let's click on the channels. Let me show you the channels. Let's mute it. Those are the channels. You click, you search any TV, any channel that you want to watch. Yeah, forget about that. Yeah, let's exit and get back to exit. We come back home. So if you want to check the music, you click on the media. You can see the media is there. Anything that you want to downloads, movie, anything, pictures you want to see, it is all there. Okay, so it's just like a phone, because even these things they show in a phone. Okay, back, let's go to download apps. There is actually for downloading any app that you want to download. The best thing about these smart TVs, they actually have Play Store. You can see Play Store. Let's go, I show you something. There's also the App Store if you want to but if the Play Store does not work, you can use the App Store. Also there's a browser, and also here we have the remote. If you want to anything wrong with the remote, also you can browse anything. Like I downloaded TikTok. Now TikTok is actually down here, TikTok. And also this www is for my husband. My husband likes watching wrestling. Yes, so that is where we come around. Also, if you want to watch the Netflix, you can download and watch the Netflix etc. You understand? That is the best thing about the smart TVs. Okay, and also here in the home, if you want to get into all this, you have to click home. You can see home is here. Home is here. To get to all this, you can click here to get to all this. And then if you want to also get to the network, the Wi-Fi, you can get through that network. Okay, you can see I'm using the wireless connect internet. Yes, and let's go. Also the settings again for the TV. If you want to network connection, time, to set time, the common, the system information about the TV, the account, the Bluetooth. If you want to connect, you can do that. And then finally YouTube. Yes, but YouTube actually does not work when you don't have the Wi-Fi. You first have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, okay? And if you want to search for something, you can just click there. Yeah, you can see that. You can see, you can put anything that you want to search, just name it, and then you just put it there. Also the if you want the spacing, you come to space. If you want to clear, if you what you have typed is wrong, you clear. If then when you're done with typing, you search. If that thing you want to put the numbers, if you want to remove, you come on X kama kawaida, just like a phone. And also the numbers, you click on the numbers, it will come. If you want to type the phone number, yes, this is just like a phone. A smart TV is just like a phone. It has no difference at all. Yeah, it has no difference, because the moment when you search there, you just come just like a phone. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yes, just go ahead, go ahead, click anything that you want to click. Okay, let's click Makenjo. Makenjo is there, you can watch it. If you want to pause, pause, just like that, same like a smartphone. I'm telling you guys, you don't know how happy I am, because now I'm really happy, because my son does not disturb me again with using a phone. Yes, so we have, you see like the way it will show you from your phone, like home. Let me take you there. You can see that is my channel's name, so it will show home, music, gaming. Let's go to gaming. Just the same applies to the phone. You see gaming. Yes, all those are games. If you want to play, if you're that gaming person, you can play. But maybe in future my son will be playing. If you want to go to podcast, you can see, just click on podcast, it will show all the podcast, what is going on right now. So that is it. As that's like a phone. Okay, yes. If you want to see the subscriptions, yeah, all the subscriptions, you can see all like that. What next? Library. Yeah, playlist. You can go to the playlist, also watch the library. More, you can watch also. Also you can come to the settings. You can see the settings, the same settings that normally shows on the TV. Yeah, it is showing you get to YouTube premium. So purchase or membership, autoplay, next video, restrict mode, parent code, link TV, link Wi-Fi, link with the TV card, link devices, language, etc. You see, all of these settings we normally, even in the phone, they are there. In a smartphone we have all of this. So what else would you want? What else would you want in even if you want, the only thing about this, the only thing that you cannot do the job on a TV is that maybe you buy a keyboard. Is it a keyboard? Is it a keyboard? That typing keyboard, I know it's keyboard. Then you buy that, and then you find a way of connecting it, then you can do your work, and then it will show all the work in the screen there, and then you will be seeing it. Finally, I want, actually, by the next time I'll be showing you how to uh how to show your phone screen on a TV. That is what I'll be showing you next time. Okay, so for now, that is all. See you on the next video. So if there's anything that you've not understood, yeah, you can let me know at the comment section. Yeah, if there's anything that you want to know about the smart TV, you can let me know in the comment section. You can see also up there is the Wi-Fi arrow sign. That means that Wi-Fi is working, it's on. And then you come down here is invisible heart. And visible heart are these pictures that they normally seen wallpapers. You can see that. Yes, the wallpapers. You can pick any that you want and then you use it, right? Yeah, also at the TV assistant, you can click there. It will direct you to where you want to, what exactly do you want. If you want to clean your TV, if there is a low storage, you can see memory used, system garbage, storage space. Yeah, if you want to deep clean less fast, there is also have management, network test, network speed, optimize regularly. Yes, so let me show you how this works. Deep clean, same like a phone. Yes, deep clean, clean up all. You see, it will show you clean up all the apps. It will show the apps that you're supposed to clean. Yes, then you will do that. That is if you want to do so. So that is all for today's video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Also, you can see up there it's showing your time, what time now, and also the date and the day, and also the weather. You can see up there Kakamega 15 degrees centigrade. Yeah, you can see up there it is showing all. I'm telling you all. It is just best. Like I've just fallen in love with this TV. Yeah, so thank you so much. Kindly subscribe, share, like. See you on the next video. Bye.